Okay, so basically we are studying oxidative phosphorylation. What happens in oxidative phosphorylation? First of all, let's look at the partitions which are present in the mitochondria and cytoplasm. The one that I have shaded yellow is cytoplasm. Then you have outer membrane, which I have outlined pink. Then this blue region shown by the arrow is the intermembrane space. Then the red lines are for the inner membrane, followed by the green arrow which shows the matrix. Now what happens in the inner membrane, there is a complex of 5 proteins and glycoproteins which are called as the respiratory complex. They are arranged in series and we number them in Romans from 1 till 5. 1 till 4 are electron carriers and the fifth one is a stock particle which is having enzyme ATP synthase. From the fifth protein, which is ATP synthase, 3H plus ions can cross and fall into the matrix. Chemiosmosis can occur and ATP is made by oxidative phosphorylation, which we have discussed previously as well. Now, what is the role of these electron carriers? Reduced NADs and reduced FAD, as you know, they are already present in the matrix since they were produced in Krebs cycle link reaction and were transported from glycolysis as well. A total of 12 reduced hydrogen carriers have been produced, which we have studied previously and we'll link them later as well. So first electron carrier allows reduced NAD to interact with it, and the second electron carrier allows reduced FAD to interact with it. Both the reduced hydrogen carriers lose their hydrogen to the respective electron carrier and gets oxidized. Hydrogen which is removed from these is split into its component electron and proton. These electron carriers are arranged in series, but they are arranged in the order of decreasing energy. So electron from the first electron carrier falls into the second and then to the third, then to the fourth, and it keeps losing energy. The same happens to the second electron carrier's electron, that it moves from second to third to fourth, losing energy. This is called as electron transport chain. Eventually the electrons fall into the matrix, and inside the matrix there is inhaled oxygen. Electron gets added to the inhaled oxygen, and we say that inhaled oxygen serves as the terminal electron acceptor, and this is aerobic respiration occurring. Now as the electrons were moving down the electron transport chain, they were losing energy. That energy was used to push the H plus ions against the concentration gradient into the intermembrane space. This is why intermembrane space we always say is having a high H plus concentration. These H plus ions are high in concentration in the intermembrane space and they are low in concentration in the matrix. Through the Stokes particle, which is having the enzyme ATP synthase, which is the fifth component of the respiratory complex, they allow 3H plus ions to pass into the matrix down the electrochemical gradient via chemiosmosis, and ADP PI combine together to form ATP. The H plus electron and oxygen, which is now in matrix, they all combine together in appropriate stoichiometric ratios to form a water molecule.